I'm not happy. I'm about to shave my head. And I've been balding since I was like 21. And, you know, I think I'm past the point of no return, and I don't think that I should keep my hair because I don't want to be one of those people holding on to something that's not actually there. And at some point it just really looks bad, so I think I'm going to shave my head now and rock the Joe Rogan, the Vin Diesel, the Jason Statham. Hopefully I can look half as good as those guys. So what also kind of sucks is I don't really have the proper stuff to shave my head with, but I'm gonna try and use my beard trimmer. We'll see how this goes. I've never done this before. Here goes nothing. Uh-oh. This is wild. I'm shaky how nervous I am. Holy. Honestly, so far it's not looking that bad, I don't think. I thought it was gonna look worse. Well, this is different. I joked with my wife, and it might actually happen, that we could go as Aang and Katara for Halloween this year. I was taking a quick look at my head though, and it looks like I went right over a mole, and I think back over here it's bleeding somewhere. But yeah, I mean, it's the first time. I need to upgrade the equipment, but feels slightly liberating, but also just super strange. I wish I didn't have to do this, but it was time. All right, here it is. Sorry guys, this is a short video, but I just wanted to include you on one of the potentially most traumatic experiences a man can have in his early 20s. Nah, but really, it was time. I'm more concerned about having to keep up with this all the time and also having my head sunburnt often, so that kind of stinks. But now it's getting the wheels turning on these Halloween costume ideas. I could go as Dominic Toretto, Joe Rogan, Bane, maybe Megamind. I could make myself a little spaceship and be Jeff Bezos. Really, the possibilities are endless. But now I have to decide whether or not I'm gonna grow the beard back out or leave it shaved. I don't know. But that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave me a thumbs up, comment what you thought down below, and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you in the next one.